Well, we are off. We are in Somerset and we are doing the Bath to Bristol line again. There's me, Dave and Jan, Dave's cousin. Got a weekend down here staying with family. We have got a different bike with us this weekend. Dave's on a Brompton, an E-Brompton. It's not ours, he's borrowing it from a friend. Testing it out, and yeah, it was easy to travel down with it. So, let's go. I wish they'd let you know they were coming.
Brompton Convention.
Amazing! Quite refreshing with all the tree shade. Pussycat! Such a good thing for disabled cyclists to enjoy. So cool. As well as a lovely cafe.
Came past it later. I actually laughed about it.
Hi, I can help you.
Warmley, a lovely little station stop with charity wheelers for all your disabled bike needs, and cafe and the toilet, absolutely excellent. And the gang is off again. Hello.
How are you?
I'm good. Much more peaceful way to travel into Bristol.
Put it on a higher electric, John. Put it on the tape. Press the power button one more time.
We love a tunnel. Nice and cool and refreshing down here. And then a whoosh of warm air as soon as you come out. Freewheeling. And there's the city.
2.5 miles to go.
It was cool with the little flags.
So part of the ride today is we went to Temple Cycles, one of the best cycles you can probably buy. They're beautiful. So we popped into the store. So what did you think of your ride? Your test ride?
It was amazing. It was a lot of fun.
Yeah.
It was really good.
They're beautiful bikes, aren't they?
Absolutely flipping stunning.
Yeah.
Pretty and practical. How
Well-
every bike should be.
Pretty and practical.
Up now. And we're going uphill. Dave's flying up because he's on the E-Brompton.
I've had a good test run of it. Done about 30 miles. Still got 3 bars because you hardly use it. And yeah, very comfortable bike.
Hello.
Hello, where have you two been?
We thought we might get the train back, but in the end decided to cycle back as well. It's been such a lovely day. Absolutely beautiful day. And a bit of an adventure, as always.
Hello. Where's our poor Jan? I think she's been left behind. Here they come. Hello.
Back to the first station. Ooh, wind's picked up. Just such a lovely ride. Such lovely weather. Views are just incredible.